I'm spending some time in Redmond with Jamie McLennan from Prediction. We're going to talk about prediction software today. Before we do, Jamie, what juice are you drinking?
I think this is called a Calribian Dream or something. Has cal and kale and Greek yogurt and mango.
I can't remember what I have in here, but I'm also green. I think it's spinach,
An apple.
apple, and pineapple. So, prediction software. What sort of people are interested in prediction software?
So that's a good question because prediction software is designed to break down all the barriers to predictive analytics to make it so that we can really broaden the audience for predictive analytics. So we have a wide range of users, all the way from data scientists to Excel power users and business analysts to executives and even field people like nurses in a hospital who all use prediction software. These are either prediction insight product or specific industry solutions.
Okay, great. And so what's a typical business problem you would solve?
A typical business problem is there's a variety of business problems, the way you can solve them, the way you can think about solving business problems. But the typical problem that we solve in predictive analytics is getting what the data scientist or the business analyst builds in their predictive workspace to the point of decision. So for example, in our readmission solution, we have hundreds of nurses across 14 or 15 different hospitals using predictive analytics on a day-to-day basis to improve patient care. We have marketing problems, next best offer, churn, fraud analysis kinds of problems. We have claims problems for insurance, but it's a full spectrum of problems that you can solve with predictive analytics. But also, once I can solve the problem and know the problem is solvable, how do I take that and put it into production so people can use it?
Okay, great. So for Microsoft customers, how do you add value to the platform that they may have already invested in?
Yeah, that's a great question too. For Microsoft, we've most of the team are ex-Microsoft people, and we founded the company, and a lot of people from Microsoft joined our company. They're very familiar with the Microsoft technology, and we embrace that wholly. Our main development environment for building is built directly in Microsoft Excel and leverages all your Power BI assets. We integrate directly with Power Pivot. So that allows us to bring in data from Power Pivot that you've analyzed already, allows you to bring in data from SQL Server and invest in those, or deploy very quickly into database scoring inside of SQL, and even lets you very easily apply other algorithm libraries or other predictive libraries such as R to those data assets that you might have in Power Pivot or might have in SQL Server.
Okay, great. And so you partner with BizData. Why do you partner with BizData?
Well, BizData started with us a long time ago. One of our first partners actually, and been very good exposure to that market that you guys serve. And I think you are our premier partner in that space, and that's been very good for us.
Okay, great. And so finally, how do people get started?
It's really easy. You can just go to our website. There's a trial button right on top. Click on a free trial. You can download it and get started today.
Okay, great. Jamie, thank you for your time. Prediction software.